Welcome, welcome. I am opening Magic the Gathering's Streets of New Capenna Draft Booster. You got a Psionic Snoop, Backup Agent, Exhibition Magician, Most Wanted, Deal Gone Bad, Witness Protection, Cabaret Initiate, Rooftop Nuisance, Sky Crier, Paragon of Modernity, Rob the Archives, Syndicate Infiltrator, Ballroom Brawlers, Cabaret Ascendancy as the rare. Got a Swamp Full Art and a Citizen card. Well, thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a lovely day.